Whether you're a gamer looking to create assets for your world, a digital artist aiming to streamline your process, or just an enthusiast exploring the AI art realm, Leonardo AI is a fascinating tool you should have on your radar. Today, we dive into an exciting tool called Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI, an up-and-coming AI-based platform, provides a great suite of features similar to Midjourney V5, but without the cost. This platform harnesses the power of AI to help you create stunning art and design elements. Let's jump into how to access this powerful platform. To start, open your web browser and Google Leonardo AI. The first search result should lead you directly to the Leonardo AI homepage. It's a straightforward process, just like finding any other website. Once you're on the Leonardo AI website, the next step is to sign up for an account. To sign up, you'll need to provide some basic information. Ensure you use a consistent email address through this process, primarily if you aim for early access. You'll receive an email verification code to complete the sign-up process. Once verified, voila, you're officially part of the Leonardo AI community. Now, you might wonder, how do I gain early access or join the alpha program? Don't worry, we've got you covered. You can sign up for exclusive early bird access on the Leonardo AI homepage. This is the same as joining the alpha program. You'll receive an invitation to join the program by simply submitting your email. It's a fantastic opportunity to experience the platform's features ahead of the general public. Now, one of the best ways to get the most out of Leonardo AI is to immerse yourself in the Leonardo AI community. Join the Leonardo AI Discord group to access the wealth of information and opportunities for collaboration, both of which are available there. Click the link to the Discord group, enter your username, and then log into your account if you already have one. As soon as you sign up, you'll become a part of a vibrant community of other Leonardo AI users and developers. Feel free to look around and participate in the conversation on the Discord group. Explore the Getting Started guide, rules section, and the general chat room for more information. Your chances of receiving early access to new features increase in proportion to the activity you put in. Filling out the form available within Discord helps speed up gaining access to the new features. Simply providing your information, including your Discord user ID, will get you one step closer to discovering everything that Leonardo AI offers. We've successfully navigated signing up for Leonardo AI and joining the vibrant Discord community. Now, let's delve further into the platform. Even inexperienced users can navigate and understand the Leonardo AI interface easily. After checking in, you'll be taken to your homepage, displaying a feed of recent designs from other users and featured models. This provides you with inspiration and a view into the work that others are producing. You'll also find a section where you can train your dataset of photographs. This is a significant component that sets Leonardo AI apart from other similar products. Now, let's discuss how to create your first piece of art. The AI image generator is your primary creative tool. You can choose different models to base your creations on, making Leonardo AI versatile and adaptable to your artistic vision. After choosing your model, you can add a prompt that describes what you want the AI to generate. Once you've finalized your settings, hit the generate button and watch the magic happen. Using tokens is a Leonardo AI feature that is both interesting and useful. You're granted 150 tickets at the beginning of each day, and they fully renew after around 18 hours. Because one token is equivalent to one image production, you can generate a maximum of 150 photographs daily. This allows you to practice your artistic notions and develop new ones. Additional advanced capabilities, such as upscaling photographs, require more tokens. These features, along with others like them, will be discussed in further detail later on. Leonardo AI isn't just about generating images from prompts. It also offers advanced features, such as image-to-image and image-to-prompt tools. With image-to-image, you input an existing image and the AI creates a new image based on the original one, but with its unique artistic spin. This allows you to take an existing piece of art or design and transform it into something entirely new and unique. On the other hand, the image-to-prompt tool does the reverse. You input an image and the AI generates a prompt based on what it sees. You can inspire new ideas, as you could use the generated prompts to create unique images. These advanced tools and features set Leonardo AI apart from other AI art generators, offering new and exciting ways to generate art. But remember, it's all about experimenting and learning. The more you use these features, the more comfortable you become, and the better your results will be. In the next segment, we'll discuss modifying the generated art, downloading and saving your work, and further exploring the platform. Now diving deeper into the unique features of Leonardo AI, let's find out how they contribute to making it an incredible platform for AI art generation. Once your image has been generated, Leonardo AI doesn't stop there. It allows you to modify the created art using the Add Negative prompt feature. This feature lets you exclude elements you don't want in your final image. If there's something in the image you're not entirely happy with, you can easily remove it. This tool helps you refine the idea until it aligns with your vision. You'd want to keep a copy after putting in your creativity and the AI's capabilities to generate your piece of art. Leonardo AI makes this step a breeze. Once satisfied with your creation, you can download the image directly from the platform. This process is straightforward, and the quality of the download image is excellent, keeping all the intricate details intact. Aside from being an art generation tool, Leonardo AI is also a thriving community of artists and AI enthusiasts. It is an environment that fosters learning and inspiration. By interacting with the community, you can learn new tips and tricks, gain insights, and get inspired by the creations of others. Exploring the community feed and the featured models section are excellent ways to ignite your creativity. In addition, the group on Discord is a beneficial resource. You're welcome to take an active part in the discussions that are taking place here. Ask questions, share your creations, and provide comments on the work that others have produced. The community is an excellent resource for keeping abreast of any new platform features or changes that may become available. In addition, Leonardo AI offers a Getting Started guide and a section of the Discord group dedicated to answering frequently asked topics. Because of this, it is much simpler for newcomers to comprehend the system and utilize it to its full potential. Now, you might wonder, how does Leonardo AI stack up against other AI art generators like Midjourney V5? Well, let's delve into that. While Midjourney V5 sets a high benchmark in the AI art generation field, it isn't a free platform, making it less accessible for some users. On the other hand, Leonardo AI provides a lot of same functionality at no cost, and this is just the beginning of what sets it apart. So when comparing Leonardo AI with Midjourney V5, it comes down to accessibility, community involvement, and the flexibility to create and experiment freely. Leonardo AI shines in all of these areas, making it a compelling alternative. No AI art generator is perfect, and Leonardo AI has its learning curve. But with the wealth of tools at your disposal and an active community ready to help, you'll find that it's a journey worth embarking on. That's it for this part of the Leonardo AI tutorial. Stay tuned as we'll continue to explore more advanced features and techniques in the upcoming parts. In the meantime, why not try Leonardo AI and start creating some stunning AI art pieces? Happy creating!